Alright, family, so I'm done with the, what do you call it? The index card challenge. But now I'm going to do something a little different. So I'm going to do the index card challenge. However, I'm put a little twist on it. So we are going to do Glock versus Echelon rewind. So 1 second here. Oh, here we go, family. On the right, we got the Glock circle. On the left, we got the Echelon circle. And I'm about to get these shots off. So I'm going to start with my Glock 43X. And let's see if it beats the Echelon yet again. My money is on Glock though. Alright, y'all. I'll be back in a few minutes. All right, y'all. So, I hate to show this, but guess what? Here we go. 1 second. I'm about to turn the camera around. Family, here are my index cards. This is Glock 43X. And I must emphasize 43X because some may argue that it's not a fair comparison. However, there's my Glock index card. I got 2 inside the circle. And that's Echelon. So, I don't know. I kind of, even though I'm kind of like on the line, I still want to say it's a win for Team Glock. Because everybody know 43X for some folks can be a little snappy. For me, I handled it very well. However, 2 in the circle and 1 in the circle, and then I got some on the outside. So, hey, you know what I'm going to say. It's Team Glock for the win. Now, if anybody want to do Glock, Echelon, index card, rewind, hey, I challenge you. And I want to call out my bro, STO Tactical, Twin Gen 22, and, who else? Instructor Shonda. Sis, show me what you're working with. All right, y'all. I love y'all, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.